my gravy train. My girl already be like, Colin, I'm warm. Colin, I'm sweating. Bitch, you having a hot flash. But don't worry about me. I got a backup. They don't call Wednesday hump day for nothing. The Archdiocese of New York announced that it will set up a $300 million fund for victims of church sexual abuse. And yet I get nothing for keeping my mouth shut and taking it like a champ?
You should have wrote some jokes for me to tell. Looks like you got more.
Oh, good. New research shows that millions of women leave the workforce due to menopause, which means there's only a couple years left on my...
Wow, Colin, I wouldn't have done that one.